Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start planning, let's take a look at last month, when my theme was roses and Valentine. For March I chose fish as the theme. I'm going to draw several fish and I'm creating a simple fish pattern for the cover. I am using the colors blue and orange for this theme. Start with a really light sea blue color. I blend emerald green and a really bright blue to create this color. I want to create a swirl of fish, so I started in the middle and slowly worked outwards. In the middle of the swirl I wrote down the month. Once I was happy with the first layer, I blended a darker color blue to put on top of the first. After this I repeated the process a third time. For the last layer I added orange to the pattern. I also used metallic paint for the letter M in the middle. It's Indian Summer from Coliro colors. I thought it didn't match with the orange watercolor I used before, so I decided to paint over the fish. For the monthly spread I wanted to create a subtle pattern with fish again, so I started to draw with the same colors of blue to add some tiny fish. In the left corner I wanted to draw a big Siamese fighting fish in the color orange. After adding multiple layers to the fish, I realized that it was hard to give the fish some definition. So I decided to add fineliner at the last second. With a white gel pen, I added the last details. For my tracker page, I drew a koi carp. Because I didn't like the outcome of the previous spread, I decided to turn things around. This time I started with fineliner and added colors afterwards. The last spread is my weekly spread as always. I wanted a simple circular setup and I decided to create the same pattern of the cover page. Only this time all the fish are facing towards the number of the week. I absolutely loved making these patterns, it works really calming for me. Let me know in the comments which illustrations you prefer, the detailed ones of the fish or the pattern. March is all set up. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, let me know or give me a thumbs up. That truly helps me out. If you want to see more of me, make sure to subscribe to this channel or look me up on Instagram at Dutch_dots. That's it for this video. I hope to see you next time. Bye guys!